What if I told you that you could create an entire faceless YouTube video just by entering a video title? No writing prompts for every single scene, no repeating the same work again and again. So in today's video, I'll show you my complete AI workflow that generates your script, image prompts, video prompts, and then turns them into professional animations, AI voiceover, thumbnails, and a finished YouTube video. So let's get started. So now to create our video, we'll need three things: a complete script, image prompts for every scene, and their matching video prompts. So to generate all of these, I'll use my specially designed master prompt with ChatGPT. So basically, this prompt isn't just to make AI write a script, it's designed to make AI work like a complete paper stop motion director. First, it defines AI roles to it understands exactly what kind of output we need. Then it analyzes the video title and duration you provide, automatically divides the entire video into multiple scenes, determines the timing for each scene, maintains visual consistency throughout the project, and then generates detailed image prompts along with magic animation forms for every single scene. And the best part is that you don't have to generate prompts for every sentence or keep copying and pasting things over and over again. Simply enter your video title and duration, and in a single response, you'll get a complete script, image prompts, and video prompts. This makes entire workflow much faster, more organized, and beginner-friendly. So for example, I'll enter "Why we remember embarrassing moments" in the title section and 30 seconds in the duration section, and generate the prompt. So as you can see, with just these two enforced, the AI has prepared entire workflow for me. Based on this title, it has generated a complete script, detailed image prompts for every scene, and matching video prompts, all in a single response. I didn't have to write prompts for every individual sentence or keep running new prompts over and over again. Simply by entering the title and duration, the entire production plan was ready in just a few seconds. So now that all of our image prompts are ready, the next step is to generate images. For this, I'll open Flow AI and click on New Project. Once the project is open, I'll copy the image prompt generated by ChatGPT and paste it into Flow AI prompts box. And after that, I'll select the aspect ratio based on the type of video I'm creating. If you are making YouTube shorts, choose 9:16, and if you are creating a long form video, select 16:9. And once everything is set up, simply click the generate button. Within a few seconds, Flow AI will generate high quality paper cut style images based on the prompt. Now let's take a look at the results. So as you can see, the images have turned out absolutely amazing. Every image features beautifully layered paper, realistic textures, soft lighting, and handcrafted details that perfectly match the paper cut aesthetic. And the best part is that the visual style remains consistent across every scene, giving the entire video a professional and polished look. So simply repeat the same process for all of your image prompts and you'll have every image needed for your video ready in just a few minutes. So now it's time to turn these images into animated video clips. So to do that, simply click the three-dot menu on the image and select the animate option. The image will automatically be selected for animation. Next, copy the video prompt generated by ChatGPT for the specific scene and paste it into the prompt box. For the best results, select the Only Flash model and click Generate. Within a few moments, Flow AI will transform the static paper cut image into a smooth and realistic stop motion animation. As you can see, the paper layers assemble naturally, the motion is smooth, and the handcrafted paper aesthetic is beautifully preserved throughout the animation. Simply repeat the same process for the remaining scenes, and in just a few minutes, your complete animated video will be ready. So now that all of our animated clips are ready, it's time to download them. Simply click the three-dot menu on each video and select the download option. Repeat the same process for all of your video clips. So once the downloads are complete, you'll have all of your animated scenes ready for the next step for the workflow. So now let's move on to the next step, which is generating the AI voiceover. So for this, I'll be using Lemon Lab. First, click on the text to speech section, then paste your complete script into the prompt box. Next, choose the voice that best matches your video's style and click the generate button. Within just a few seconds, 11 tabs will generate a natural sounding AI voiceover for your script. Once it's ready, simply download it. Now we have everything we need, our animated video clips along with a high quality AI voiceover, and we are ready for the final editing step. So for the final step, I'll be using Filmora for editing. First, create a new project. and import all of your downloaded video clips along with the AI voiceover. Before you begin editing, place the voiceover on the timeline first since you'll be arranging the rest of the clips based on its timing. Next, set the project aspect ratio to 16:99. Then arrange all of your video clips on the timeline according to the script and voiceover sequence. If any clip is too long or too short, simply trim it or adjust the speed so that it's synced perfectly with the narration. Once everything is properly aligned, you will see the entire story flow together smoothly with a polished and professional look. Finally, add your preferred background music and sound effects. Review the video one last time and export it in high quality. And that's it. My professional papercut animation video is now complete, and let's take a look at the final result.
A person relaxes peacefully until an embarrassing memory suddenly pops into their mind, instantly changing their expression from calm to embarrassed. Inside the brain, glowing memory pathways light up as an emotional alarm activates, marking the moment as important. The same embarrassing memory replays over and over like looping thought bubbles, making it feel stronger each time. Finally, the memories fade away. The person smiles with relief, realizing that everyone else is too busy thinking about their own lives to remember their embarrassing moment.
So as you can see, with just a few simple AI tools and a single master prompt, we have created a professional quality papercut animation video. Every scene maintains excellent visual consistency, the layered paper textures look incredibly realistic, and the animations feel smooth and natural. And the best part is that this entire workflow is fast and beginner friendly. So you don't need any advanced animation or editing skill to create high quality videos like this. Just follow this workflow and you will be able to produce professional looking papercut animation videos in no time. Now that our video is completely finished, it's time to create an eye-catching thumbnail because the thumbnail is the very first thing that grabs your attention. So for this, I'll be using Thumbs AI. While the tool offers a wide variety of thumbnail styles and customization options, if you want to keep the process simple, you can generate a high quality thumbnail just by providing a well-written prompt. So I'll paste my thumbnail prompt here and click the generate button. Within a few seconds, Thumbs AI will create a professional and click for the thumbnail based on my video's topic. As you can see, the quality of the thumbnail is absolutely impressive. The colors, composition, and overall design are highly attractive, making it much more likely to catch viewers' attention. A strong thumbnail like this can significantly improve your video's click-through rate. And that's it. This is how you can create professional papercut animation video using the power of AI. You'll find links to all the prompts and tools used in today's video in the description box below. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video. And if you want to learn more about AI for YouTube automation, faceless videos, and the latest AI tools, make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question about this workflow or any of the steps we covered, feel free to ask them in the comments. I'll do my best to help you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care.